I'm sure you know that you've seen on the news the schools are closed all over the country. People are taking the day off from work. It's all for one reason. It's day 3 of my birthday week. That's right. I'm in my 50s, but with a wind chill, I'm 46. You probably heard there was a big blizzard on the East Coast, and many people are stuck indoors all alone. Luckily, there's a place where people can go when they're feeling lonely and desperate: Craigslist. Are you familiar with the Craigslist? I'm sorry. Apparently, people are using the storm as an opportunity to find what they're calling blizzard buddies. Something tells me it's not the kind of buddy you go bowling with. I thought it would be fun if we looked at some of the listings that people are posting. These are real, absolutely real. Here's the first one right here. It says, "I'll be your blizzard boyfriend. Hey, don't be alone this blizzard, I'm your man." Okay, there's many, many questions, but first of all, who's responding to ads like this? Anyone? I don't know. And no one is that busy they can't get off the phone for a photo. Especially if you're in a pink bunny suit. And who's he on the phone with? His mom saying, "Come up to dinner"? I don't know what... Let's see the next one. 2 fun 20-somethings seeking hot female snowstorm companions. We have a pretty good size TV, a PS3 with Netflix, super fast Wi-Fi, Tostitos, a loaf of potato bread, and a jar of peanut butter. Well, you had me at potato bread. That is a girl's fantasy right there, that list. I think we have time for one more. Generous guy seeks cute, friendly girl for snowy day fun. We can chill, get naked, and see where the day takes us. Nothing crazy. I think you're safer with a guy in the bunny suit. That's my... For those of you on the East Coast, I hope the weather warms you up before you do anything you regret.